Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website. You guys can see what is website. The website is Quora.com. So where we have to create our profile. Okay, how we can what is the good strategy and the best strategy to we can create a profile. Then how we can maintain our profile. Okay, and the what is the best practices to we can find a question and answer, and also we can publish our article on that website. And if you guys can want to do something else, there is also option to you can guys can run a Quora ad also. Okay, so I guess there is no any requirement to I can show you the website authority and the traffic, but I can show you. You guys can see this website having 91 domain rating and the traffic. Okay, the website is taking loading. So you guys can see 687.4 million traffic this website having. Okay, you guys can see the category ranking is number second, country ranking is 43, and globally is this. Okay, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, UK, Canada, and Australia. So if you guys can want to attract or drive traffic from that kind of countries, or if you guys can also generate a lead using the Quora. So there are many things you guys can do for your businesses. So if you guys can want to drive traffic from that kind of targeted countries, so you guys have to share your backlink. You guys have to create your profile and other things on that website. The website name is Quora.com. Okay, so we have to click for the if you guys are haven't account on Quora.com, so you guys have to click for the sign up with email. There you guys can choose your name, then you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys have to click for the next button. Then they can send you OTP. We have added. Then we have to click for the next button. Then we can go to choose a password. Oh, password is, then we have to click for the robot verification. Then we can click for the finish button. Okay, no thanks. Then you guys have to click choose your interest, marketing, digital marketing, web marketing, advertisement, sales, online advertisement, and these kind of steps we have chosen. Then we have to click for the allow. Okay, then you guys can see we have able to access a Quora dashboard, where you guys can see there is many people can publishing the images, content, questions and answers, and there we can going to optimize our profile. Add profile credentials. Oh, what kind of credentials I have added? So we can optimize. I can optimize after a while. Edit. So there is a highlights. You guys can add your credentials. Okay, I can going to add credentials. SEO digital marketing at Cal Group. You guys have to add your credentials. There is an option to you guys can add your employment, educations, locations. I can add locations. Okay, they can asking me. Okay, location, start and end here. So you guys have to optimize these things. This is very normal. You guys can do very easily. Okay, is there my any other picture I can going to update? I'm going to pick this picture. Okay, so once you guys can complete your profile, then you guys have to go for the home section, and where you guys can found easily a try Quora plus. Okay, we can ignore these things for now. Okay, so there is option to you guys can create post, okay, and add a questions if you guys can want. There is a two option. You guys can publish a directly article on that website, and you guys can ask any questions for the Quora. Okay, and there is a post. You guys can see they can add very little content. They have added images. Okay, then they can going to publish now. Oh, very long. I'm for Bihar and my English is passable. Okay, so you guys can explore the many things. There is an option to you guys can see your followings. Okay, then you guys have to option to you guys can answer any kind of questions. Okay, so this what is the future of digital marketing job in India? So you guys can answer these questions also. Okay, and you guys can see how many people are following for these questions. So you guys can also analyze these things. Okay, and you guys can know how to publish your questions, how to publish your articles. Okay, there is option to you guys can see your space, which kind of space you guys are following. Okay, there is a notification button, so we can ignore these things. Okay, so for the your cases I can going to publish one question: can we use a regex uh, regex is useful in SEO? I have asked this question, then I can go to port, add a questions, then you guys can, then they can is similar regex useful in, okay, no, use session, we can ignore this, ask original questions. Okay, then you guys have to send also a kind of newsletters and these kind of things. Okay, then we have to click for the done button. Oh, regex is useful in SEO. Chat GPT bot also intricated. Oh my god. You answer poi.com and chat GPT is okay. We have explored the new features. You guys can see. Okay, then we have to click for the escape button, and you guys can see our question is published now. Regex is useful in SEO. Okay, so these kind of activity we can do for the starting. If you guys can created a fresh account on the Quora.com, so you guys have to keep maintain your profile. Someday I think 1 to 2 week you guys have to explore the feeds. You guys have to do commenting, you guys have to do answer, then you guys can like and upvote the some images and the articles. Then you guys can start publishing your article, and once you publishing start publishing your article, you guys have to maintain 1 to 2 3 or 4 5 days. You guys cannot going to insert your internal insert backlink on your article. Then once your profile within the 15 days going strong, then you guys have to do marketing, then you guys have to add backlinks on your articles, any other things. So this is a best strategy for the Quora. We are also following these things, and my team also. So that is the things. If you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, you are your friends, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me or want to talk with me personally, so you guys have to follow my social channels. I can also provide my social details on a description section, bottom of the description section, where you guys have to found. For the last, I wanted to request with you guys one thing. if you guys can want to help me something, want to connect with me, uh, if you guys can want to appreciate me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button, like button, and share your thoughts on a comment section, because these things can motivate me to I can create a rapidly videos for you guys. Okay, so okay guys, so bye bye, take care, take yourself.